Examples. Let me the current flowing to an element if the charge flow is given by qt 90 squared minus 2t minus 2c. Okay? O, dito muna. So, yan. So, q of t is equal to 90 squared plus 2t minus c, minus 2. Erase ito. Yan lang. 2c. Okay? So take note that your charge, ang hanap dyan is charge flow. Okay? So if you go back to our calculus natin, ang flow is characterized, ang flow rate natin is v is equals to x over t, or dv is equals to dx over dt. So pwede rin natin gawin yan dito sa ating charge. So therefore, sa ating charge, yes, therefore, since the flow rate, the rate of charge is what we call the current, okay? So I is equal to dq over dt. So in order to get I, then all we have to do is to derive this equation here. So if you remember your calculus, so paano mag-derive, okay? Derivation, so that becomes 80 c right plus 2. This is now up here. So derive lang itong equation ito. So in order to get this equation for your current, find the charge qt flowing to a device if the current is it minus 2t plus 5 milliamperes and q 0 is equals to 0. Okay? So if we use the same equation, so di is equals to dq over dt. Okay? So let's assemble this. No? Magiging di times dt is equals to dq. Okay? So dq is equals to di times dt. If we get the integral of both sides of the equation, that becomes dq is equals to integral of dq is equal to integral of di over dt. Okay? But since this one is pwede natin gawing q is equal to integral of di times t. Okay? Right. So, therefore, para ma-answer natin to, then we just plug in the equation of the current. Q is equal to the integral of 2t plus 5 times t really, this is now no, this is now c. Okay, columns, right? So therefore this becomes q 2t squared plus 5t. Okay, so can you remember how to integrate this? Right? We take note that this is a definite integral, no, wala siyang c, no, kasi meron siyang initial value na at q is equal to 0, the amount of charge is equal to 0. Okay? Basta kayong gagawa niyan, ha? So I'll just leave it here and still give you other